Hi, I'm Shelley Wood and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple felt jacket that will fit many 4-inch dolls and 5-inch dolls like Elsa and Anna Toddler dolls, and a number of other dolls that are in this size range. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out this shape from felt. Fold the felt down the middle of the sleeve. Sew from the edge of the sleeve to the underarm, and then from the underarm to the bottom of the garment. Fold the felt down the middle of the other sleeve. Sew this sleeve and side seam the same way. Clip the underarm. Now, be careful not to cut through your seam. You want to just cut to the seam. Clip the other underarm the same way. Invert the jacket. Now, if this is tricky, I recommend that you use a chopstick to help you invert. What I like to do is give the chopstick a little twist. And if you're worried about poking through the fabric, use the blunt end of the chopstick to do this. And there you go. Now you're ready to try the jacket on a doll. Elsa looks so cute in this, and so does little Anna. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for doll clothes that will fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.
Have you ever thought of a brilliant idea for making doll clothes, but you just didn't know enough about how to design your own patterns? I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer, and I have a real gift for designing doll clothes that I'd like to share with you.
In my Creative Spark class, How to Alter Doll Clothes Patterns, I'll introduce you to the basics of doll clothes pattern designs. You will learn how to alter patterns that you already own, how to lengthen and shorten a pants pattern, and how to turn pants into shorts. You'll also learn how to make a skirt more full or less full, and how the fullness of a dress's skirt can affect the fit of a bodice. You'll learn how to design your own waistband for skirts using your doll's measurements. But the real gem of my class is my resizing formula. And trust me, you don't have to be a math whiz to learn how to resize your doll clothes patterns. My formula can be used to make your patterns larger or smaller, depending on what you need. Whether you want to save money on the cost of buying commercial doll clothes patterns, or maybe you're sewing for a doll that you just can't find any patterns for, How to Alter Doll Clothes Patterns will help you design a wardrobe that will fit dolls of any shape or size.